So this is the third type of miscellaneous category algebra related questions. In such questions, what we see is the alternate sign change, plus to minus, or maybe minus to plus. In such cases, how do we reach to our answer? So all we need to remember 4n minus 3 under root plus 1 divided by 2. And in this case, same formula, 4n minus 3, 1 divided by 2, but minus because the question starts with minus sign, plus because the question starts with the plus sign. So the formula becomes easy once you remember which sign comes earlier. So addition comes here, so we put the plus sign, minus sign over here, so we put the minus sign. So here 4 into 4, 16, 16 minus 3, 13. Root 13 plus 1 divided by 2. 20 minus 3, 17. Minus 1 root 2. So such questions becomes very difficult if you choose the conventional way of solving. Once you remember the formula, it becomes a cakewalk for you.